In this video, I'll show you how easily you can create test cases with Figaf for your SAP PI PO system. So first off, here's the Figaf tool. We have downloaded all the icons of your system into the tool and have all information about what's going on. To create a test case, we simply find our integration. We have here an icon. We can select it and we can say record test cases. We create a test case that is called test case 55. We will, when we're doing this, we have an option here to decide how we want to deal with these things, and we'll also just mention that this is 55. We need to add how to order these specific ideas if we need to handle them, because this is a split scenario. We press save recording, and now the system will start up, and we can specify if we want to look at past messages or future messages. Now we'll just look at the future messages. So now we'll wait until someone has sent messages on the scenario, and we do that simply just by using Postman here. So now we have sent some messages. We can then pull these messages, and we have a number of different ways to fetch this. Most cases we would use adapter modules placed in the adapters. We can also look at icons, etc. So now we have fetched 3 outgoing and 3 incoming and 8 outgoing messages. And we can go and we can create a test case for this. So take all of these payloads, we can specify which systems we want to be able to run this on. And now we have created a test case. To run it, we simply select it and say run, and this will take this test case and run it on the systems that we have. We can also have said we only want to run it on one of our systems. So let's see how it performs. So now it has been triggered. If we go to the system here, view at the test result, we can see what is going on. We will be able to see that we have sent the messages. We can go and we can see the monitor. So we can see based on this message what has been sent and what has been processed here. And if we could look at the results, we just need to pull it. We can see that we had some unexpected, and this is because one of the scenarios that we're using is a little unstable. So that is okay. If we look at the payloads, we can look at the diffs here, and we can see we have added and ignoring us this date time, because this is not important for us. So it's really easy to add ignoring. You simply just create an XPath to the part you want to ignore. And this also supports EDI, X12, JSON formats for handling these things. So now we have seen how easy it is to create a test case, run it, and see how it performs. If we want to make modifications to it, we simply go in here and say, okay, now this is our updated result, and next time we run it, this is what we would expect to receive in this scenario. So if this is interesting, you want to learn more, go to figaf.com/devops. Thank you.